everyone, welcome back. In the past 2 weeks, we are focused on the laws regarding the education of ELLs in public schools. And thank you so much for your engagement and participation in our discussions and in your assignments. And I think everybody did an impressive job in Project 1, and congratulations to everyone. In this assignment, I think you identified some important issues in our field. For example, like the achievement gaps between the English-speaking students and the English language learners, and also the achievement gaps between the minority race students and the white students. And you also found that we lack the data in racial and ethnic composition among the ELLs in many counties. We also talked about the assessment to the ELLs and how to assess them fairly, and a lot of you talked about how to assess them in their first language. And also you talk about the identity and how the ELLs identify themselves. On the discussion board, we focus on the laws and the policies and your role in different bilingual programs. And we compared different bilingual programs, including the two-way immersion, or you can also call it a dual language program, and the transitional bilingual program, developmental bilingual program, and push-in and pull-out approaches. This is more popular in Alachua County. And the late exit program and the seal of bilingualism. And I really appreciate your efforts in the assignment constant decrease scavenger hunt, and I know you spend a lot of time in that assignment, and I really appreciate it. And I hope you learned something from this assignment, because this assignment aims to help you to familiarize with the laws and policies regarding the education of ELLs in Florida. And I hope this assignment can help you to think about how to implement different bilingual programs in your county. So in the upcoming week, we are going to talk about the culture at school. And we are going to compare the surface and deep culture, the individualism and the collectivism. And we are going to talk about culturally responsive pedagogy. And actually there are a lot of names for this. You can call it culturally responsive, culturally relevant, culturally informed, culturally sensitive, culturally competent, or culturally appropriate teaching. And we are going to read the articles about the funds of knowledge. This is a very important concept in our field. And I hope these articles can help you to think about how to leverage the students' linguistic and cultural resources in their learning. And we will also focus on the culture at school, different cultures at school. So next week, you are going to work on the exploratory project 2, which in this assignment, you are going to explore a cultural group you are interested in, and you can find more details about the instruction on the canvas. Last, I will call for a proposal, because now we are in an extraordinary time, and I know COVID-19 is a big challenge for everyone on this planet. And this is even a bigger challenge for the ELLs. So I'd like to start a discussion on this topic. I'm very interested in your response to the questions like, in what way do you think the COVID-19 could affect the ELLs study and life? And what extra support do you think they may need? What issues about the ELLs during COVID-19 do you want to explore? So if you would like to share your opinions, I will invite you to post your answers on the Q&A session under each week's module. And if you have any burning questions you want to discuss or you want to explore in this class, I would also encourage you to post them in our Q&A session. And I'm looking forward to a very fruitful and rewarding discussion on this topic. So just a quick reminder for you. And think everybody in this class are very good at meeting deadlines, and everybody has already posted their original answers on the discussion board. But don't forget to respond to at least 2 of your peers' response by this Sunday. So thank you so much for your hard work and have a great week.